Hi, I'm Effie. Welcome to my channel. It's time for one wonderful word with Effie. That's me. I love to learn new words. And because of this, I know a lot of words. I have a pretty big vocabulary. Guess what? Keep watching these videos and you will have a pretty big vocabulary too. Having a large vocabulary is something that I have achieved, and I feel deep pleasure in this achievement. I take pride in my extensive vocabulary. What do you take pride in? Do you know? Well, by the end of this video, you will. Today's word, pride. Pride is a feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction derived from one's own achievement. So, it's something that you love about yourself and your accomplishments that makes you feel really good. I try my best to learn a new word every day. Learning and using new words makes me feel really good about myself. You can take pride in learning new skills, like reading or riding a bike, or how to play a musical instrument, or learning new words like me. You can take pride in being kind or friendly. You can take pride in finishing a year of school. A lot of learning went into that. Let's learn more about the word pride. The word pride originated, and that means that it began, as an Old English word. Old English is the earliest historical form of the English language. It was spoken in England and southern and eastern Scotland in the early Middle Ages. The Middle Ages were a long time ago. It was between about 476 and 1500 AD. That was over 500 to 1,500 years ago. Wow! In Old English, pride was spelled with a Y and sometimes a T, meaning that sometimes it was pronounced pride. If you use pride in a sentence, you might say, Effie takes pride in her large vocabulary. Or, Eleanor takes pride in her piano playing skills. Or, Patrick and Ben take pride in being friendly and kind. And these are things that Eleanor, Patrick, Ben, and I love about ourselves. Love about our accomplishments that make us feel really good. Let's say pride together. First, we are going to say pride one time slowly. Pride. That was good. Let's say it again. This time, we are going to say pride 2 times slowly. Pride. Pride. Very good. Let's say it a little bit faster. We are going to say pride 3 times a little bit faster. Ready? Let's do it. Pride, pride, pride. Excellent. Let's say it even faster. We are going to say pride super fast 9 times. Can you do it? Of course you can. Ready? Let's go. Pride, 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 pride. Wow. That was pretty good and pretty fast. But I think you can go even faster. We are going to say pride, which means a feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction derived from one's own achievements, as fast as we can. 18 times. Can you do it? I know you can. Ready? Let's go. Pride, 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 pride. Wow, you are amazing. You just learned a new word and you said it super fast. You learned the word pride, which means a feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction derived from one's own achievement. Now, I want you to take pride in the fact that you learned something new today. Yay! I had so much fun learning with you today, and you can keep learning. Tell your parents to go to thebighairbook.com and download free activity sheets, including your gift from me, the Big Hair Coloring and Activity Book. And be sure to use your new word, pride, in a sentence. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I want you to take pride in who you are today because you are awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy learning.